Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share play and take control of someone's PlayStation or have them take control of yours so they can try out or play a game on your PlayStation 4. So if you try to go ahead and share play just by going to Friends List right here and then find a friend. So here's Action 6. I want to share play with them. If I go to their profile, you may have noticed there's no option under here to share play with them. So you see messages, you see the party chat, you go to the three dots, there's nothing in here. Now what you actually want to do is go over the headset icon and join a party with them. So let's go to this and then join a party with them. And I'm already in this party. And you want to go to the actual party screen right here. If you just hold down the PlayStation button and you go to party right here, you will see no option for share play under the quick menu. But if you go back to the home screen, then you go up and you go to the party icon right here, select this, you will see on the right side of the screen there's an option for share play right here. So we can select it and then we can go to test connection speed. And we can just see if our connection is good enough for share play. So I'm on Wi-Fi right now. I would highly suggest you connect directly via a LAN cable to the back of your PlayStation for the best results and the lowest latencies. So my internet connection is really low. So we can go back to this now and we can still play. So let's go to share play and go to start play right now. And it's talking about my internet connection right here. So let's go to OK. And it's testing the connection speed once again. Let's go to yes, regardless, even though it's slow. And select share play visitor. Action 6. They're playing Black Ops 4. At the main menu. Now here are the three different options. You can share your screen with the visitor. Visitor plays as you. Visitor can try out your games on their own. You are responsible for all use of your account. So they could delete data or something off our PlayStation. Will they have control? So just be aware of that. And also you need PlayStation Plus for these last two options. Then here's the last option. Play with the visitor. Play games together with the visitor. One of the cool things about this feature is there's some games that are offline co-op, and you can actually have this person join and play you even though they're at home. So if it's an offline co-op game, they can still play with you. So let's go to visitor plays as you. Now on their screen, they're going to have to accept any kind of permission that pops up, and then they can join. So they're connecting to your PS4 to join share play. So they cannot see when I'm in the screen, so I actually have to open up a game. So let's go to Sonic Mania right here. This one's rather easy to open up and play. Okay, so I'm on my PS4 indicated by like the quick menu right here, and I have my PS5 connected, and I'm on a different account, Action 6. So I can back out, and you can see I can play with my PlayStation 5 controller on my PS4. And the latency in this game, it's definitely playable. In like a first-person shooter, it may be a little bit off when you're aiming left and right. But in just like action games like this, Sonic, it seems like it's definitely doable. I really don't notice anything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.